Hello everyone, welcome back to another stock analysis video. In this video, I'm going to share 7 stocks that you can trade for intraday tomorrow. So let's get started. First, as you can see, this is the 15 minutes time frame of Z Entertainment. And as you can see, the stock went up and it has been going up and up and up, and we can definitely see a trend line over here. Right, we can see a trend line. So what we can do is we can wait for it to break down. Once it breaks down the trend line, I think a short trade can be taken, and we can consider this level as our first target and this level as our final target. Okay, if you want to hold it further, you can hold it till 200 EMA also, but this is a very big target for Z. Okay, because the movement has been very strong over here. Once it breaks down, and if it when it sustains below this level, okay, below this support level, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your target for intraday. For upside, I won't really recommend anyone taking a trade before it crosses this level, but for downside, it looks better to me, so I'm only going to suggest you for downside. So this is it for Z Entertainment. Moving on to the next one, we have Prestige. Okay, Prestige, let me just remove 200 EMF from here. As you can see, after a consolidation gave a breakout, it has been consolidating again, and like I always say, consolidation breakouts are my favorite, right? So once if it breaks down, a short entry can be taken, and this can be the next support level, and we can consider this as a short target. For long term, what you can do is after it breaks out, you can consider 1% as a target, or 1:2 risk reward ratio, or 1 or 2 pivot levels. Okay, 1% target is enough for intraday, so you can set your long side target accordingly. For short side, I've given you a level. I'll just check how big this is. 2.5% is very big, but this is the support level. So, and Prestige usually gives big moves, so this is okay for Prestige. Okay, moving on to the next one. As you can see, this is Tata Consumer. This is the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, it is on 200 EM. Okay, as of now, we are going to remove it. uh okay, perfect. Also, we see a consolidation, right? So yeah, this, as you can see, this is the ascending triangle, right? This is the ascending triangle pattern. The price is going from low to high. So what you can do is you can wait for it to, and it has also been consolidating, right? So what you can do is you can wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out from top, a long entry can be taken, and I'll just check for the levels. Okay, so what you can do is you can consider this as a level, and you can consider this level as your first target. So what you can do is once the stock hits this level, you can bring a stop loss to break even, so that just in case it reverses from here, you don't end up in loss. You'll hit your stop loss at break even. And for short side, if it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this week as your short target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have ITC. Okay, ITC, as you can see, a symmetrical triangle pattern has been formed, right? So what we can do is we can trade after the breakout. Once it breaks down, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as a short target. For upside, what you can do is you can consider this level as your first target and this as your second target. Okay, just wait for it to break out on either side, and then you can trade accordingly. Moving on to the next one, we have RBL Bank. Okay, RBL Bank, as you can see, it went up, it has come down again, and it has formed a trend line over here, right? So what we can do is we can wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out, and if it sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken, and we can consider this as our long target. I'll just check how big this. Oh my god, 4% is very big. You can consider this as your first target. Yeah, so once it sustains above this level, you can take a long entry. You can consider this as your target for RBL Bank. Moving on to the next one, what do we have? We have SBI over here. SBI, as you can see, it is on a resistance level, right? Once it sustains above, a long entry can be taken, and for target, you can consider 1 or 2 pivot levels as your target. Like I always say, 1% target is enough for intraday, so set your targets accordingly. Moving on to the last one, we have HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank, as you can see, it came down and it has made a flag pattern over here. This can be considered the pole, and this is the flag. So you can consider this as the inverted flag and pole pattern, right? So what you can do is you can wait for it to break down. Once it breaks down this level, a short entry can definitely be taken. And for target, I'll just check how big this is. Okay, yeah, for target you can consider this level as your short target. Okay, for HDFC Bank it is inverted flag and pole pattern. So this is it for the video, guys. I've shared 7 stocks that you can trade tomorrow. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.